Welcome back to GMC Live Reviews. Carl Roof, and we're live reviewing Jafferji House and Spa in the heart of Stone Town. And we're going to have a quick walk through the whole hotel just to give you an idea what it's all about. Come have a look. So you walk right from the streets of Stone Town and into the reception area. Friendly staff that helped you check in. And wow, this is the Jafferji family house that they renovated into an hotel. And absolutely stunning decor, imagery, and Zanzibari doors represents all of what Zanzibar has to offer. Some beautiful pieces of art and absolutely stunning. So this is the bottom floor where you can have your breakfast in the morning, which we had earlier, and walk through here. So you have a rooftop terrace restaurant upstairs and a downstairs restaurant and coffee area, which is beautiful. And then from there you go upstairs to where the first set of rooms are. Typical Stone Town building with narrow staircases and lovely photography and images all the way. Beautiful Zanzibari door replica over there. And you have some lovely light coming through. Very nice wood carvings and shutter windows and panes. Lovely colors. And then the first set of rooms. Each room at Jafferji House has a theme that has a bit of history to it, and we will show you the rooms in a bit more detail. The Livingston room here on the right. Livingston based himself here at the start of most of his expeditions into the interior of Africa in the early 1900s. And it's just so much to show you. Friendly staff. Kibwana over there. And then another level up you get to the largest suites. We are in the Princess Salome suite. The Jafferji suite. It's absolutely spectacular. And then there's a Zanzibar Kabisa room, which is everything about Zanzibar. Absolutely stunning photography of the people of Zanzibar. There's a lot of different cultures and influences that has shaped this city over the years. Portuguese, Umani, German, English, British influence. It is still fairly visible throughout the island. The Mercury room, Freddie Mercury from the band Queen was born on the island. Incredible music, and some more of Jafferji's photography on the walls. You can also visit his gallery, which is 2 minutes walk away. The higher you go, the more of the ocean breeze you pick up. Absolutely stunning. And some more rooms on the left there that we'll show you a bit later. Some old historical pictures in black and white from the ivory trade, and massive tusks that were exported from the markets from Zanzibar. Zanzibar was once the 8th richest country in the world, at the height of the slave trade, and ivory trade, and trade in spices, cloves in particular, and nutmeg. And then you get up to the spa level where you can come for massages and facials, and I'm sure Sally will come and have a look at the spa a little bit later. And then finally you get up to the rooftop terrace where lunch and dinner is served, where you can get a lovely breeze from the ocean. But wow, what a stunning hotel. Privileged to be in the heart of Stone Town and stay in a piece of history. This house belonged to the Jafferji family, where Javed himself grew up, and we've got Kibwana sitting up for lunch. Vipi bwana? Pole na kazi. And then you're overlooking House of Wonders and the old fort and some of the historical buildings of Zanzibar and Stone Town. Carl Roof GMC live reviews, live reviewing Jafferji House and Spa in Stone Town, Zanzibar. Stay tuned, we'll show you the rooms in a bit. Chat to you soon.